Hello, good morning one and all. I'm here to explain a software video about hospital management system. Basically, why we require a hospital management system. So, hospital are the essential part of our lives, providing best medical facilities to people suffering from various ailments. It is necessary for the people to keep track of its day-to-day activities and also the record the number of patients, doctors and nurses so on, so that the hospital will be running smoothly and effectively. But keeping manual records are cumbersome and error prone. So here we are introducing a new special software for maintaining all these things, and also our work will be done quickly and effectively. So now let's see the demo of our hospital management system. This is the hospital management system which you are present to our client, namely the JHI Hospital Management System. So this will be the login screen. You can give the login credentials here. Once the software is login, we can go to the dashboard directly. This is admin login, so we can see the admin dashboard here. Admin dashboard comprises of everything. Only admin will be the having the rights to access everything, like from adding a doctor to adding a patient, nurse, pharmacist, laboratorist, accountant, or all these reports, and also even receptionist. Only the admin will have the rights to do it. Now we can go to the department. From department, you can add a new department here, namely say HMS1 and HMS. So a new department will be added here. And next we'll go for a doctor here. The admin can add a new doctor, name say Suraj. Can give his mail ID and also other basic details. You can select the department here and you can submit. A new doctor will be added. You can check the Sujar here. Suraj at gmail.com, and the basic details will be displayed here. And you can even also edit this details, like see the name you can keep as Yak, and you can give update. You have to give the profile name, so you can mention it as doctor and click submit. So the details which we have given will be updated, and also you can edit a doctor and delete the doctor. So this is basically a doctor screen in admin panel. Next will be patient. You can add a new patient here. You have to give Aadhaar number, which is mandatory in India. Once you click submit, a new patient will be added. And you can also edit a patient. So you can change the name here, say Manoj. You can give update. And this thing will be updated. And also you can delete a patient. So next we can go for a nurse. You can add a new nurse here. Say Meena at gmail.com, and other basic details should be given. So a new nurse will be added here, and same ways you can edit a new nurse, and also you can delete the existing nurse. The next will be administrative, that is pharmacist. You can add a new administrator or new pharmacist here, and you have to give the basic details like name, email ID, password, address, phone, qualification, date of birth, date of joining, and so on. This will be the basic details for everyone. So a new pharmacist is added, and also you can edit the pharmacist. Say, and also you can delete the pharmacist. The next will be laboratorist. You can add a new laboratorist here, so a new laboratorist is added here, and also you can edit a laboratorist, and also you can delete a laboratorist. The next will be accountant. So you can add a accountant here, say accounts, and you can give their basic details. You can also edit an accountant, and also you can delete an accountant. Same applies to every login. The next will be receptionist. You can add a new receptionist here, Tina, and his 100 basic details. You can delete as well as edit here. The next will be monitoring hospital. Only the admin will be having all these rights to do here. So you can go for the payment history. Here you can see which document type or which has been paymented, like for which patient, and also the creation date, a due date, VAT percentage, discount amount, status, and options. Since the software has moved to GST, we can update you with GST and give you there if it is required. And also you can view the invoice here, and you can print the invoice. Next will be bed allotment. Once the bed has been allotted in other login, it will be displayed in admin login. So the admin will know which patient has been allotted for which cabin. Next will be blood bank. Once the blood bank has been updated, the admin can view how much patients have given and how much quantity they have donated. Next will be blood donor. Then donors present in that hospital will be displayed here, and this can be visible only for admin because the admin is having all rights to see. The next will be medicine. Here you can see what are the medicines present and whether it is available or not, price, and all the details. And next will be operation report, the number of operations done with their description, patient name and doctor name will be displayed here. And same as for birth, like baby's name, doctor name, patient name and doctor. And for the death, the patient name and doctor name will be displayed. The next will Now we'll see add invoice. Here the invoice title and also the basic details can be given. So and a new invoice can be created. The next will be manage invoice. Here the number of invoices which have been done will be displayed. We can edit the invoice or we can view the invoice and print the invoice, and also we can delete the invoice. It can be given in any of these format, copy or CSV, Excel, PDF and print format. The next will be notice board. So we can add a new notice here, say due pending, submit. So a notice will be created, and also we can edit the notice and delete the notice. The next will be settings. Basically the first is system settings. You can change it and you can give save. The next will be language settings. You can select your language accordingly. You can add your face accordingly, and also you can add a language accordingly. And also we have SMS settings here. The next will be account. You can give the name of account, email, and also you can change the current password here. So basically this is admin login. You can go to the dashboard. From dashboard you can go to any of this. If you are clicking doctor, you can go to the doctor panel. If you are going patient, you can go to the patient screen. If you are going for nurse, you can go to the nurse screen. If you are clicking pharmacist, you can go to pharmacist screen. If you are giving laboratorist, you can go for laboratorist screen. You can accountant, you can go to accountant screen. If you are giving payment, you can go to the payment history directly. If you are giving medicine, you can see number of medicines present. If you are giving this operation report or birth report or death report, you can view them from here accordingly. And the final thing you can be done is settings. So the logins which have been created here will have a separate screens. So for doctor a separate functionality will be there, same way for patient, nurse, pharmacist, laboratorist and accountant, and also receptionist are there having their own logins. This is just a sample video. You can just check it and can give me your feedback. Thank you.